Hi guys, my name is Umair and you are watching Umair's workshop. Today we are gonna make a 3.7 volt battery pack for the use of small electronics such as 5 volt COB light or 5 volt motors or something like that. So for that we need TP4059 charging module about 5 volt 1 ampere to charge these kind of 3.7 volt batteries, lithium ion batteries. It is 2 ampere 3.7 capacity, and we are gonna make a simple and effective power bank. First of all, we are gonna connect two wires for the positive and the ground. For that I'm using this uh, broza chemical to connect the wires on the cell. The both wires have been connected to the cell. Now we have to connect those wires into this battery plus and battery minus. Our battery have been connected with the charging module. Now we have to check it by placing the 5 volt into the charging module. So the red light is indicating charging. So it is working perfectly. Now I am placing the female plug into the output and input of the battery. Our wiring have been done. Now we have to cover it in a PVC channel. I have placed it into the PVC channel. Now we have to check if it is working. The charging is working good. Now I'm going to check it with the 5-volt COB light. The motor is also working good. Now we have to put this up on the charge and see if the blue light is turning on. The red light indicates charging, and when it charges it will show blue light over here. Right now the battery is giving around 3.41, and after charging it will be around 3.7, and we will see how much time it takes to charge the battery full. The battery have been charged and it is showing blue LED, so it means the battery is charged, so we can take it out. The charging module has stopped charging the battery when it reaches 3.61, and it takes around 20 minutes to charge from 340 to 3.6. Our battery pack have been completed, and it can be charged and discharged by the use of this female plug. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.